Welcome back, guys. So let's go ahead to create an X account. So before we go ahead to create, this is Mozilla Firefox. I want you to download this. I want you to download this browser. So any browser you're on, look for Mozilla Firefox. You'll see the reason why I told you to download Mozilla Firefox. So I want you to download this browser. Make sure you have a Firefox browser on your system. So this is where you're going to see Firefox. So you get Firefox on your PC. Most importantly, I said PC, not a phone. So you're going to download on your PC. So I'm going to just click on download and you're going to have this downloaded. So you see that this will be able to download, and here it is. So it's about 265 kilobytes, which is the installer. So you could check that out and have this installed on your system. So you have to do is to click on this to install Mozilla Firefox on your system, which is very important. But right now I want to create a brand account, so I'll create a fresh account and you'll see how I'll go about it. So I'll open my Gmail, which is very necessary. I'll open my Gmail account, of course, yes, and I'll come to X. So now Twitter is x.com. So you come to X and you'll be able to create a new account for a brand. So I'm coming to X right away, and here in X I'm going to try to create a new account for this brand, which is Amazon. I have created other pages, which is Facebook, Instagram, and now I want to create an X account for this brand, and you'll see how I'll grow the accounts, I'll grow the followers, I'll tweet for visibility, I'll expand my features to gain more visibility and all that. So right now, let's create an account with X and let's see how that goes, which is very important. So let's wait for this to get loaded up, and here is X. I'm waiting, and you can actually sign into x.com with google.com. That is using your Gmail to access X. But right now I'm waiting for this to get loaded so we could use this to create an X account. So let's go right here to create an account. So right here, this is what you see when you come to x.com. This is the first landing page you're going to encounter. And after you've encountered this, all you have to do is to say you want to create, or you sign up to Google. You could go with anyone. So let me try to go with sign up with Google. Let's see how that turns out. So I'm going to try to sign in with Google, which is my Gmail account that we created. So let's use this and see how it goes. I'm going to continue, and having to continue, let's see if we have an X account. So here we are, and let's wait for this creation process to get done. So all I did was to use my Gmail to sign up with Google. So that's an API working on the ground, and here we are. So what is your date of birth? It's going to be July 14, yes, 1997. That is the date of birth, and I'm going to sign up right away. I'm going to click on sign up, and let's see, we just signed up on Twitter. So you're going to give yourself a username, which is very important. So I'll say Mimazon, which has been taken. So let's go for Mimazon Media. So we'll go for Mimazon Media as we've gone for Mimazon Media. So it's going to be Mimazon Media, yes. And I'm going to nest this. So it's going to be Mimazon Media, and there we are. So you could turn on notification, you could skip for now. So basically what we've done now is to create an X account. So what do you want to see on X? You're going to choose the category you would love to see on X. So me personally, technology, yes. Fashion and beauty, very important. Travel, very okay. And fitness, very much okay. Then we could just nest this, and you're going to be able to select your niche, something you want to always see. So let's see what we have here, and we have a lot of things, so we have to choose what we want. So right now we have business and finance, we have marketing, which is very important, we have startups, very important, we have fintech, very important, and we have entrepreneurship, very important. We have, yeah, basically I think e-commerce industry, very important. That's the niche we so much needed. And let's see what other things would we have needed. and let's see how this goes. So we come to entertainment. You see family and relationship, you see beauty, you see fashion, fashion business, beauty influencers, fashion magazines, and we go on and on. So you're going to see all these, and it's all looking great. It's all looking good. So we have all this. What I want to do is to nest this. So let's nest this right now. And that way we'll be able to create an account. We've selected what we want. So you're going to follow one account in all of these. That's what it literally means. It says you should follow one account. So let's go with Forbes, and I'm going to nest that, and that way we have an account created. But the first thing I want to do is to create a follow action, and the follow action I want to create, I want you to do the same as well. Search for me on Twitter or X. Search for me right now. So this is the search icon. You see this explore on your PC, so you search for me right here. So the first thing you're going to do, if you are new on X, if you just created an account, same thing. If you are old on X, same thing. So it's the same interface. So here is to search for people, search for users, which is what I want to do right now. So I've been able to register on X right away. I'm waiting for this search icon to get loaded up. So here we are. I'm going to search for my name. You use the search icon to search for my name, which should be Bilad Ashans. So let me just show you what to type. You type Bilad. It's going to be Bilad Ashans, and my name will pop up. So this is me, beloved Adejigbe. So you see me right here. So make sure you follow, give me a follow, and it's very, very important you turn on the notification. So you can give me a follow, and you could turn on the notification bell. So you click on this to turn on notification, so you can always get notified whenever I update anything on Twitter. And here we are. So I just turned that on, and we have message. You could send me a direct message, you could shoot me a message from here, then you could use Grok to analyze my profile. So let's do that right away. Let's use Grok to analyze my profile. Let's do something fun, and Grok will do the analysis of my profile, and you'll be amazed because Grok is XAI, which is what we are going to use to do our marketing. As you could see, it just summarized my profile, and it says at Bilad Ashans is a quirky tech enthusiast who codes encryption in Python, dreams of crypto riches, and believes non-conformity and solitude. Non-conformity and solitude for a life of bold, colorful impact. Bilad Ashans is sparking chats on self-care and online clouds, urging influencers to stand for something while sliding into DMs left and right. If you can help others, if you cannot do that, at least do not harm them. So that's one of my quotes. So just analyzed what my profile is all about. So you could say, what value does he offer? So you could check that out as well and see what it brings for us. And as you could see the value I offer. So this is Grok 3 for you. This is the AI that comes with X, and we're going to use it in this course as well to market brands and ourselves on X, which is Twitter. And basically that's it. But before we proceed, let me just make sure I do a little bit of settings. I want to be able to set this to dark mode, so henceforth will be on dark mode, and this way we've just created an account, which is very, very important. It's the most important thing we've done today, and we've seen how to use Grok to spark some curiosity, pack some charts. So you could do all this, just have fun while we go through this course, and I'm waiting for this to get loaded up. So here we are. I'm going to come to settings and privacy. I want to set the display of this on desktop. So here is accessibility display in the settings, and right now all I have to do is to change this from its light mode to dark mode. So I'll come to display right here, and here in display I'm going to change my color to dark mode, which is what I love. And right now we are in dark mode. We've created an account. In the next lesson I'll show you how to brand this account for this very brand. I hope to see you in the next lesson. See you there.